Hi and welcome to the Doorfit showroom. My name's Dave Close, I'm the director of our garage door division. Just want to talk to you very briefly today about the Hörmann cleaning kit. So you've made yourself a quality purchase of maybe a Hörmann sectional door, maybe one of their entrance doors, maybe one of their side hinge doors. What you're almost certainly going to want to do is maintain the exterior appearance of that product. This kit is perfect for that. It comes with cleaning solutions, polishes, some oil for the entrance door hinges, various application sponges, and a couple of microfiber cloths. It's important to remember that if your door needs servicing or maintaining mechanically, that's the time to give Doorfit a call. We can get one of our engineers to do that, which will obviously maintain and validate your warranty. At Doorfit, we've also found another use for the cleaning kit. It's perfect for polishing our Hörmann Partner Standard Installation of the Year Award. Thank you for listening. Give us a call, drop us an email if you need any further assistance. Thank you.